New Buick Electra crossover model lineup. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The Buick Electra is a full-size luxury car manufactured and marketed by Buick from 1959 to 1990 over 6 generations. The Electra was offered in coupe, convertible, sedan, and station wagon body styles over the course of its production, with rear-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, except station wagon. For its entire production run, it utilized some form of GMC platform. The Electra was superseded by the Buick Park Avenue in 1991. The current lineup of the brand in the United States consists of crossovers. Encore, Envision, and Enclave are listed on the official website of the brand. Buick does not have a single all-electric car in the United States. However, it is possible that the situation will be corrected by another novelty. It is expected that the brand's lineup will be replenished with a green SUV, which will probably be named Electra. The Buick Electra concept SUV, which the company unveiled in the fall of 2020. The show car was distinguished by a high waist, large wheel arches and rollers, as well as a dark body kit around the perimeter of the body. The head optics and taillights of the show car have a narrow L shape, and a plug is located in the place of the traditional radiator grille. The concept has 4 side doors. Their design is butterfly wings, that is, the rear doors open against the direction of travel, and all 4 rise up and to the side diagonally. The name Electra will seem familiar to many. A model with that name was in the Buick lineup in the last century. This was the name of a car produced from 1959 to 1990 in sedan, coupe, convertible and station wagon body styles. This model, of course, was not an electric car. The name was given to it in honor of the sculptor Electra Wagoner Biggs. In 1991, this car was replaced by Buick Park Avenue. The Buick Electra concept is based on the Ultium platform developed by GM. The already presented Cadillac Lyric serial electric marketnik is also based on it. The show car received a twin-engine installation, 1 electric motor on each axle, the total output of which is 589 horsepower. The declared maximum power reserve on a single charge of this crossover was 660 km. What do you think of this car? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.